Thousands of years before African Americans commemorated a black president, our ancestors were led by powerful role examples. Starting in the 16th century, the transatlantic slave trade sent millions of African men, women, and children away from freedom and into a life of captivity in the new American colonies. Before leaving their native land, the enslaved Africans were escorted through places like the Door of No Return on the Gorée Island in Senegal. When they left, each African could anticipate a cruel journey of pain and anguish. Some perished along the way, while others arrived with generational trauma. Despite what we have endured, our people have survived and thrived in the face of this evil. 400 years after the first enslaved Africans reached the shores of America, 2019 was declared the Year of Return, a celebration of the resilience of the African people since the slave trade began. It will be easy to follow the narrative that people of African descent are passive characters in the making of the world, that our only part of the story concerns our enslavement. A careful study of history reveals that African people were essential contributors to the advancement of civilization. Our people are not simply the product of the pain of our oppression. Racial terror should not be the only lens that we use to view our past. We should all desire to return not just to a land, but also return to a lost heritage of rich accomplishments. Forget what you had in your high school history class. African people are responsible for many of the groundbreaking discoveries that have shaped our society. A key example of the history of our achievements is found in ancient Spain. Around 700 AD, the Spanish territory was conquered by an African army of rulers. According to historians, these African inhabited lands were more admired by their neighbors than any other region. The city of Cordova, for example, was known as the brightest splendor of the world because of its illuminated streets and paved roads. The booming city also featured hundreds of public baths that were powered by its ingenious irrigation system. It is important to understand that the Moors were not just powerful conquerors, they were ingenious cultivators. Through their leadership, they changed everyday life for people of their region. Groundbreaking agricultural practices led to the flourishing of rich crops such as rice, sugarcane, dates, and cotton. Many of these products are still key exports in that region today. This growth made it possible for wealth to flourish in the region through prosperous trade. The myth of African conquest is that our people were simply brutes capable of great feats of strength. This racist myth has haunted us for centuries. Yet nothing could be further from the truth. Beyond their skillful hands, the Moors created intellectual storehouses for people to understand the world around them. Students across Europe will travel to study at their distinguished universities and libraries. Their reservoir of knowledge included over 600,000 manuscripts and an advanced system of Arabic numerals. As a result, their people were known for their advanced civilization and the developments in mathematics, architecture, and medicine. Thousands of years before African Americans commemorated a black president, we were already kings and queens with great power. The Moors proudly ruled Spain for 800 years. Over the course of 8 centuries, they developed the region through their ingenuity and brilliance. These Moors, and many other examples, prove that the history of African people is one of triumph. Yes, the Door of No Return represents the vicious history of trafficking enslaved Africans. But the pathway that was closed for those who came before is now open to us. We have the responsibility to honor our ancestors who have gone before us. They could not return through that door, but we can. We have the opportunity to honor the Door of Return, embracing all that has been stolen from us and reclaiming what has always been ours.